my honor to welcome you.
Today, we gather to celebrate the spirit of collaboration, unity, and progress that defines the ASEAN community.
Each one a testament of the beauty and diversity of our region. Without further ado, let us welcome our gracious mothers, adorned with the magnificent national attire of our ASEAN members of nations. But of course, let us start with our faculty and staff.
Bitch, I don't need introduction.
Next, we have Ma'am Grace D. Amana.
Next, we have this lovely couple, Giselle Martin and Sir Francis Valentin.
Welcome the grade 7 Daisy and grade 7 Rose.
Followed by grade 7 Jasmine and Sampalita.
All my ladies, one to the left, go to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my step on instruction. All my ladies, one to the left, go to the right, one to the left.
Oh, Sabay, beloved city.
Without further ado, let's warmly welcome Mrs. Lubin D. Saldavia. And now, let us embrace the beauty of tradition, the joy of dance, and the spirit of unity that binds us together.
Please give them a round of applause, everyone. Grade 10 Saturn, please proceed.
Follow my step on instruction. Wind to the left, swing to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need it 'cause I am the boss.
Grade 10 Mars. Representing our very own, the Philippines. Luzon, Thailand, Malaysia.
All my ladies, don't care what it costs. Step up. You are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Step up.
Brunei and Philippines. Followed by the Britain Mercury.
You are the boss.
Next we have
Great Filipinos representing our very own Philippines.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Next we have the Great Dance Representative.
Next, we have Malaysia and Philippines. Next, we have Thailand and Vietnam. Philippines and
Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our first candidate from Grade 10 Southern. Let's give them a round of applause.
To be drunk in enough in New York City. Midnight in the morning coffee. Running through the hours talking. Let me back, go with you.
As Chong Miso Silva, Halusisip si G. Sophie. Let us come together in harmony and appreciated our culture diversity. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Marian Labaran from Grade 10 Southern.
Yung chochiko alpa de arka parago. Miube alpa karago arkun. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. I am Anthony C. Sinubuhan from Grade 10 Saturn, representing Cambodia.
Next we have the Grade 10
Again, let's all welcome the Great and Earth. Please give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. Chirina Bilibri, representing Thailand.
Good morning everyone. Lloyd Muraka Bobo, representing Singapore.
Next, we have the Great and Mars of the Philippines.
Let me back, Waiting for the first time. I said for a long time ago.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shirigris Biflero,
Good morning everyone, my name is Emmanuel L. Montibon.
Representing Philippines.
Happy candidate, Great Light Mercury, candidate number 5 and candidate number 3.
Say I'm here with you. Let me back, go with you.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Franco Arian Lamio from Grade 10 Mercury representing Malaysia.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Delicia Nipales from Grade 10 Venus, representing Philippines.
Please give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. I am Christine Abong, representing Philippines.
Good morning everyone. I'm Makdud Muraka from Grade 10 Jupiter representing Vietnam.
Gender awareness campaign across ASEAN member states focusing in Bukit.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When the rainbow's over you kiss, no one needs to know. It's like a dream I dream, Peter Pan for you, oh my, oh oh. La 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 la, bright moonlight, only one day.
Ano siya ma'am? Kani nasi chicken biryani. Tapos, mixed rice dish.
When I wake up,
Tapos si Catherine, gusto niya naman sa Bunan Farm School. Okay. Tapos, nakita ini ni Daniel si Catherine.
day a minute, another minute.
Hello.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's
Okay.
Tatlo lang ni ma'am. May mga number man na sila para
Ano
bali
ang
number
workshop na
1, pattern ma'am. Binugan lang natin ang
Ano ang hindi handle? O paano hinhandle ni Catherine kay Daniel na nagabusong siya?
4 and 6 lang ang may ara.
Ano ka naging hambal? Para bear a child. So, need the good. Matapos ating lahat. So, para mabalang tumamo ang exact ang dapat na inyong mabulong, vitamins and mineral. Alam niyo ang pagbata, may ara doktor. Because again, Catherine is only 14 years old. Hindi pa siya mature in the body para mag-bear ang child. Titan Jupiter. Next we have Titan Venus. Second place is Great Dan Mercury. Go GB. First we have Great Dan Venus. Crispy Venus. Second place we have Claire Sicoso from Great Dan Junior. In our first place goes to Krisha Gargar from Great Dan. Most participative section we have the Great Dan Earth. Followed by our female category, we have Ma'am Junamel Baril.
Wala, lost ka kayo palang paksusliit!
Female category, we have Gail Anika Ilagan. Gail Anika Ilagan.
Isa pa! Waki! One, two, three,
Hawaki Burger.
One, two, three, smile. Say 1, 2, 3, smile.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you?
Wala na tayo kung damo pa katatuan. Sige, good afternoon everyone. So welcome to our ASEAN with our Miss Mikami. There are 3 segments in our test, in our quiz. The first of the easy round, the second is average, and the third is a difficult round. Ready? For the easy round, question number 1, I will read the question twice. How many countries belong to ASEAN today? At the capital city of Vietnam, is it true or false? A, true, B, false. Jakarta is the capital city of Vietnam. A, true, B, false, false.
Medyo nagana sila.
The answer is false. That is false. So congratulations everyone, and many congratulations of course for the third, second, and first place. Pwede na ka tindog, kag makapicture na rin.
Nilagay mo. Guys, magwapa sa si Jocelyn ko video nag-apil sila. Asa pa? Do? Wala. Wala na. Sige lang, kadaanan na lang. Padung dito, lakat ka dito. Si Aliyah, wala pa sa plano, Aliyah. 1, 2. Wala, ikaw yung nalubad. There's sa... Ha? Ano sa video? Video ba sa kanong? Bagay man. Ah. Marinte. Jules, pila na ka-color. Sorry lang. Asa David, ikuha ni ko dito. Tulak. Bakas ka dito, wag din mo. Bakas sa taas ko dito. Sa ko sabihin, dalawa sabihin. Wala ka manihiga ka pala. Doon ka na lakas ni Manay.
Alaya, pubuto nga, dira.
Kina kay blur na.
Dalom na lang guro mo.
Sa dalong na lang mo.
Erwin, ikuha ninyo Erwin.
Amigos.
hold up. Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being
Naka-costume, palinyahan na natin sila because in 5 minutes, we're about to start our program.